Hello YouTube, this is Marco speaking to you, and in this video I want to share with you my first impression about the Fujifilm X-S20, which I just got today, and I unboxed it, and I want to share my impression with you, and I want to decide whether it's a good video camera for me, especially for filmmaking and vlogging, because previously I owned the Canon M50. And the Canon M50 was a really good camera for me because it was really easy for me to be able to learn photography and videography. But I think it has some limitation, especially the Canon mount, which is called the Canon M-Mount, which is not further developed. I really like this tiny camera, Canon M50, but yeah, it will not have any more lenses, and also not any more cameras, so I had to check other systems. And so recently the Fuji X-S20 just came out, and I didn't find much information in the internet about whether the Fuji lineup is a good upgrade to the Canon M50. That's why I want to share my opinion. And what you can see right now is the footage I'm shooting in the new vlog mode with the 15 to 45mm lens. I set everything on auto basically, except background blur and the Eterna film profile. The settings I just set, and everything else is on auto. And here you can actually see the footage. What do you think? It's a good footage for vlogging and walking. I think it's okay. I guess the iPhone is still a better option to vlog in terms of stabilization. But overall, I think it's a great little camera. And furthermore, in the video, I want to share what I really like from the Fujifilm X-S20. So first of all, I think it's a great build quality. So I came from the Canon M50, and this camera felt a little bit cheap, I guess. But this one feels really solid, especially like the grip. So I guess for photography it's really important, but also for videography I really like feeling the grip in my hand. It makes the camera feels really premium. In comparison to the Canon, the Fuji has definitely more dials, I guess, and I really have to get used to that. But yeah, I'm willing to learn and see how I can adjust to this new camera system for me. The joystick is also kind of new idea for me, and well, I kind of like this, I have to be honest. So with the joystick you can set the focus point. Instead, with the Canon you can just only tap on the screen, which you can also do on the Fuji, but with the joystick you are a little bit more flexible, especially if you film via the viewfinder. So yeah, overall I really like it. The nice big battery also helps to film in 4K. The autofocus seems to be kind of okay. So right now I'm looking at my screen and I can see that the camera focuses on either one of my eyes. So I guess I stay in focus all the time, which is really nice and really important for me as a vlogger and filmmaker. And also I guess the camera is nicely balanced. So I think the camera body is around 480 grams and the lens is around 180 grams. So it makes a little bit less than 700 grams in overall. So it's kind of okay to hold it with selfie stick or even just with my arm. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about this video. Should I make more comparison video, especially between Canon M50 and Fujifilm X-S20? Let me know in the comments and subscribe if you want to see more videos of that. Bye bye.